Are you looking for the best JBL over-ear headphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best JBL over-ear headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JBL Tune 720BT. The Tune 720BT proves you don't need to spend much for quality wireless audio. At this price point in 2026, these headphones deliver everything most listeners actually need. I was surprised by how light these feel on my head during extended listening sessions. What really shocked me during testing was the 76-hour battery life. That's not a typo. These headphones outlast almost every competitor in the JBL lineup. I used these for 2 weeks of daily 2 to 3 hour listening sessions without needing to recharge. Sound quality delivers JBL's signature bass-forward profile. The 40mm drivers provide satisfying low-end response that brings energy to pop, hip-hop, and electronic genres. The bass doesn't muddy the mids, keeping vocals intelligible. The lack of noise cancelling is the main compromise here. If you commute in noisy environments or work in a busy office, you'll want to step up to the NC models. For quiet environments like home listening or libraries, these are perfect. Number 2. JBL Live 770NC. The Live 770NC represents JBL's premium consumer offering with their true adaptive noise cancelling technology. Unlike standard ANC, this system monitors your environment 50,000 times per second and adjusts accordingly. I noticed the difference immediately during subway rides. Comfort is where these headphones truly shine. The fabric-covered headband distributes weight evenly across the top of your head. After wearing these for 4-hour work sessions, I experienced none of the pressure points that plague cheaper headphones. The Smart Ambient feature deserves special mention. It lets you control how much outside sound you hear, from complete isolation to full awareness. This proved incredibly useful when I needed to hear airport announcements while still enjoying music. Sound quality takes a step up from the Tune series with more balanced tuning. The bass still has that JBL character, but the mids and treble gain more clarity. Instrument separation improves, making these better for complex musical genres. Number 3. JBL Live 660NC. The Live 660NC hits the sweet spot for daily commuters who need reliable ANC without flagship pricing. I used these during my morning and evening commutes for 2 weeks, and they consistently blocked out engine rumble and conversation noise. The speed charging feature becomes genuinely useful in real-world scenarios. Just 10 minutes of charging provides 5 hours of playback. I can't count how many times this saved me when I forgot to charge overnight. JBL's signature sound profile works exceptionally well for commute listening. The bass-heavy tuning masks road noise and engine hum effectively. Vocals cut through clearly for podcasts and audiobooks, making these versatile for different content types. The fabric headband provides all-day comfort that plastic competitors can't match. During 3-hour listening sessions, I experienced no discomfort or pressure points. The ear cups swivel flat for easier packing in bags. Number 4. JBL Tour One M3. The Tour One M3 represents JBL's flagship over-ear headphone with audiophile aspirations. The high-res audio certification means these headphones can reproduce frequencies up to 40 kHz, well beyond CD quality. For serious listeners who care about audio fidelity, this matters. The standout feature is spatial 360 sound with head tracking. Music feels like it's coming from around you rather than just inside your head. After testing with compatible tracks, the effect adds genuine immersion to live recordings and studio albums. The included smart transmitter is a unique approach to wireless audio. It plugs into your source device and handles audio processing locally, reducing latency and improving connection stability. This proved especially useful for gaming and video content. Build quality finally matches the price point with premium materials throughout. Metal hinges, genuine leather ear pads, and substantial weight convey luxury. The 70-hour battery life matches cheaper models, which is impressive given the advanced features. Number 5. JBL Tune 760NC. The Tune 760NC remains a solid mid-range option in 2026 for buyers who want proven ANC performance without paying for the latest features. I've used this model extensively, and it consistently delivers the noise cancellation most people actually need. Google Fast Pair integration makes these headphones a joy for Android users. The first time you pair them, they're instantly recognized by your phone. Subsequent connections happen automatically when you turn the headphones on near your device. The 50-hour battery life with ANC off drops to about 30 hours with noise cancelling active. That's still more than enough for a week of commuting. I regularly went 5 to 6 days between charges during my testing period. Sound quality delivers the bass-heavy JBL signature that casual listeners love. The pure bass drivers provide satisfying low-end impact without overwhelming the rest of the frequency range. Vocals remain clear for podcasts and spoken word content.